Hi guys, Miss Chris here from the Fountaindale Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to write a letter. There was a time not that long ago that letter writing was very common. People wrote letters all the time. Now we have so many different options. You can text somebody, you can email somebody, you can call them, you can even make a video like I'm doing right now. But I do think that there's something wonderful and exciting about writing a letter and receiving a letter. So what kind of letters are there? Well, there are lots of different kinds of letters. A friendly letter would be something you would write to your friends or your family, or maybe your favorite ball player. A thank you letter. A thank you letter is an important letter. You might be thanking someone for a gift they gave you, or because they did something really extra special for you, and thank you letters are a really nice way to say how much you appreciate it. A postcard. If you've ever gone on vacation, you might, or someone in your family's gone on vacation, you may have sent or received a postcard. I got a postcard from my sister from South Dakota. Look at that. That's pretty cool. They're kind of small. You can't write a whole lot on a postcard, but the cool part of a postcard, this one is from Merrimack Caverns, is actually getting the postcard. So today we're going to look at a friendly letter, how to write a friendly letter. So a friendly letter has a few different things on it that you'll want to make sure you have on. So a friendly letter, you'll want to put the date up on the top left side, as you can see it over there. And the way to do a date is you put the month, the day, a comma, and then the year. You guys can see that. And then the next line you're going to do is the greeting. Dear so-and-so. For me, I did dear writers. That's to you guys. Now, when you start the body is the biggest portion of your letter. When you start the body, just like a paragraph, you would indent. So that means you're going to push it in just a little bit and start in an indent. And so then you're going to write the body, and then if you have a new idea, a different idea, you're going to start a new paragraph. Just like in a paragraph, if you change your topic, you want to start a new paragraph. And you'll continue on until you've said everything you want to say. And then the other parts are the closing, which you would say, I like to use sincerely, but there are a couple different options you could do. Yours truly, your friend, best wishes. I like sincerely, it's simple. And then your signature. You're going to sign your name. And that's really all there is to it. We'll go a little bit deeper. But you also need some way to mail it. So a very important part, once you're done writing your letter, is going to be mailing your letter. So you'll need an envelope. I've got a pretty big sized envelope, but there are a couple different sizes. If you have a smaller letter, you can use a smaller envelope. A couple things you want to make sure you have on your letter. So you'll want your return address right here, because that way, if for some reason it can't get delivered, it'll come back to you, and then you can check and make sure you had your address right. So you'll put that up there, and the way you're going to do it, let me see if I can do this right, is your name, your address, your city, comma, your state, and then your zip code. Now, then the next important thing is you want to have your delivery address. This is who you're sending it to. So you're going to put, like I put, if you were sending it to me, I put Miss Chris at the Fountaindale Public Library. I put the library's address, Bolingbrook, Illinois, and the zip code. And the last thing you're going to need, very important, is a stamp. You'll want to put a stamp on your letter before you mail it out, and you can put it in your mailbox at home or at the post office or wherever your mail gets picked up. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to write a letter today, and I hope you go and write some letters, maybe even to me. Take care.